My name is Harry Every, and I'm a development engineer here at Entech Instruments. And today we're going to take a look at the Entech 5400B. We are going to show you how easy it is to create a new desorption method. Under the File, New Method menu, you can find 4 very common methods which we use here at Entech. You can use any one of these as they come, or you can use them as a starting point for developing your own methods. To adjust the system configuration, simply click the Config button within the green circle to the right of the screen. The Config screen will allow you to calibrate your pressure sensor, as well as set the gain and the zero for each of the 4 heaters. Once your configuration is set, simply click on Config again to return to the main screen. Notice the series of numeric entry boxes running along the upper right side of the Entech 5400B's main screen. You can edit any one of these numbers by simply clicking into the edit box and changing the number. Or you can click on the little numeric keypad button to open a touchpad display. Set the target pressurization to determine the final pressure you wish to achieve in your canister or bottle upon completion of the process. Canister size, which is set in milliliters, simply indicates the size of the can or bottle you intend to connect to the system. There is an optional preheat tubes checkbox to raise the temperature of the tubes to a certain temperature prior to beginning the desorption process. The desorb temperature entry box allows you to determine the temperature at which the Entech 5400 will regulate the heaters throughout the desorption process. Notice that the temperature reading within the parameters, as well as on the heater status displays, are all indicated in degrees Celsius. Desorb time indicates how long it should take for the Entech 5400 to raise the pressure within each canister from vacuum to its final target pressure. The 5400 will automatically regulate its pressure flow to best achieve this desorption time. The leak check time is set in minutes and determines how long the Entech 5400 should wait while monitoring the condition of each channel during a leak check or bottle check. The max leak amount determines the acceptable drift or change in target pressure from which the Entech 5400 will signal a failure during a leak or vacuum check. Once the desorption parameters have all been set, remove any attached tubes and bottles. Use the green enable buttons to enable just those channels which you wish to desorb, and hit the start button to begin your process. Note the status messages in the tube and bottle indicator, as well as on the indicators above each channel, and on the status buttons, which will change throughout the process. We hope you have found this video useful, and thank you again for choosing the Entech 5400.